Question 3. Cases where the answer is A after modifications. DS. Is 81 to the power of A equal to 3 to the power of B minus 1? Condition 1. 3 times A plus 1 equals B minus A. Condition 2. A equals 3. Solution. Now we will solve this DS question using the variable approach. Cases where the answer is A after modification. The first step of the variable approach. Modify the original condition and the question to suit the type of information given in the conditions. We have to find out whether 81 to the power of A is equal to 3 to the power of B minus 1. Let's modify the original condition by getting both terms with 3 as the base. Now, we know that 81 is equal to 3 to the 4th power. So, 3 to the power of 4 times A is equal to 3 to the power of B minus 1. By equating the power on each side, we get whether 4 times A is equal to B minus 1. So, we have modified the original condition to whether 4 times A equals B minus 1. This type of question often appears in the exam, so remember this. Don't forget that the modification is the priority when solving questions using the variable approach. Moreover, we have to apply CMT1 as we are looking for a yes or a no answer. Also, according to tip 4, we cannot have a trivial answer. Let's look at condition 1, which tells us that 3 times A plus 1 equals B minus A. Rearrange to get 4 times A plus 1 equals B. This is exactly what we were trying to find out in the original condition, that is, whether 4 times A equals B minus 1. Since the answer is yes, the condition is sufficient by CMT1, which means that the answer must be in terms of a unique yes or no. Condition 2 tells us that A equals 3, but we do not know the value of B, so we will not get a unique value. So, the condition is not sufficient by CMT1, which means that the answer must be in terms of a unique yes or no. Condition 1 alone is sufficient. So, A is the correct answer. Answer A.